yung insertion?
Ang proseso kasi na ginawa ko, kung meron, lahat ng senators, merong individual or institutional amendments. Okay? So yan, sinasubmit yan doon sa secretariat namin. And then the secretariat will coordinate with me, and both houses, yung technical working group ng lower house at saka ng Senate, will meet to reconcile those. Now, as to the existence of a small committee, I'm not really privy to that. Wala akong sinalihan na small committee or closed-door meetings with my counterpart in the House.
Kung may mga illegal insertions, you don't know kung saan nang-insert ka na.
Alam mo, lahat naman ng mga sinasabing amendments, na-ratify ng both houses during the final FICAM process.
Okay.
And as far as the Senate's amendments are concerned, it was presented and coordinated with the DBM also. They were aware of it because we wanted to make sure that this was possible in terms of the categories that were allowable to amend. So, yun yung mga na-submit sa akin, sa Secretariat.
So, nung sa level ng Secretariat, in coordination din kayo with DBM, kumbaga may clearance naman nila, ay kaya pa ba ito, i-accommodate, parang gano'n ba yan? Sa level ng Secretariat?
Gano'n, at saka ito ba ay feasible, dito sa mga, makaka-apekto ba ito sa priority infrastructure projects ng Presidente, anong mga pwedeng gawin. Yun yung sa level na alam ko.
Okay, ma'am, thank you for that.
Thank you po.